A helicopter carrying Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi crashed in a northern region of the country Sunday, according to state news agency IRNA. While rescuers have not reached the aircraft, a government spokesperson says officials made contact with 2 people aboard the helicopter several times. Iranian officials say dense fog is making the search difficult in the remote, mountainous East Azerbaijan province. As the night grows later in Iran, extreme cold will further complicate the effort. The country's foreign minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian was among a number of officials also aboard the helicopter, IRNA reports. Raisi became president in a historically uncompetitive election in 2021. Previously the country's chief justice, he has overseen a period of intensified repression of dissent, according to human rights monitors. Iranian officials have spoken to 2 people on the same helicopter as President Ebrahim Raisi since it crashed Sunday. Iranian Vice President for Executive Affairs Mohsen Mansouri told the country's semi-official Fars news agency. Because officials made contact several times with a passenger and member of the flight crew shortly after the crash, it appears that the incident was not severe, Mansouri said. 3 helicopters were flying on the same route before 2 lost contact with Raisi's helicopter, Mansouri said. The Ministry of Communications and other security agencies have identified the incident area within a 2-kilometer radius. Due to weather conditions, access to the area is challenging, he said. The exact site where Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi's helicopter crashed Sunday has still not been located, military officials involved in the rescue operation said. The helicopters of the 6th Combat Base of Tabriz Air Force arrived in the Varzekan area according to the order to carry out relief operations, the commander of Iran's 6th Air Force Base said Sunday. These helicopters, along with the rescue team, were sent to the helicopter accident area of the president's convoy from the early hours. Unfortunately, the operation failed due to unfavorable weather conditions. Officials have said rescuers are facing dense fog and extreme cold as the night grows later in Iran. It's currently just before 9:30 p.m. local time. The European Union is activating the Copernicus EMS satellite mapping service in response to the crash, following an Iranian request for assistance, European Commissioner for Crisis Management Janez Lenarčič said in a post on X. Rescuers have not reached the crash site of a helicopter carrying Iranian President Ebrahim Raisi and Foreign Minister Hossein Amir Abdollahian, and have no update on their status, according to Iran government spokesperson Ali Bahadouri Jahromi. In a statement on X, Jahromi said rescue teams are experiencing difficult and complicated conditions, and acknowledged it is the right of the people and the media to be aware of the latest news about the president's helicopter accident, but according to the coordinates of the accident site and the weather conditions, there is no new news until now. The president of Iran flew on a Russian Mi-17 helicopter, but the possibility of a technical accident is almost excluded. The main version of the accident is the weather and thick fog. This video has all 3 figures that were together in presidential helicopter of Iran. If this is the latest from Raisi's visit, then it is strange that Ebrahim Raisi was traveling in a Bell Huey 212-214 helicopter. President of Iran mostly use Mi-817 for long-range flights. Turkey has deployed night vision helicopters to aid in the search for Iran's missing president. We sent a crew of 6 vehicles and 32 experts to Iran in search and rescue in mountainous areas. We have put a team of 15 research experts on alert to move to Iran. 5 of our teams are almost approaching the helicopter coordinates announced by the Iranian space.
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week, it's 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.